Mary, wake up. Do you hear that?
Yes, it is very loud. What time is it?
It is 2 in the morning. The music is coming from next door.
Again? This is the third time this week.
I am going to talk to him. This is not okay.
Be calm, John. Please, be polite.
Excuse me? Hello?
Is he opening the door?
Yes. Hi, neighbor. I am John. I live next door. The music is very loud.
We need to sleep. We work tomorrow.
Can you please turn it down?
We are not angry. We just need quiet.
Thank you. Good night.
Do you think he will stop?
Yes, he said sorry. He looks embarrassed.
Good. Let's go back to sleep.
Finally, some peace and quiet.